Hi and welcome to this talking head video. It's been a while since the last talking head video, and I just want to start off by thanking every single one of you for subscribing and getting me to 2,500 subscribers at the time of filming this video. I can't thank you guys enough. Like I've said before, I don't think that I was really expecting more than even 100 subscribers, so 2,500 is amazing for me. So I'm going to keep making these videos for you guys and hopefully keep helping you guys out with some PowerShell, some automation, and some scripting tools. So in the most recent months, we've been doing a lot of C# programming and we've been doing some PowerShell here and there on the side. And I've seen a lot of comments really asking for some more PowerShell videos. So I have seen those and we will be actually acting on that over the next few months. So I know that we have a lot of new subscribers, of course, with the numbers keep climbing. And I've seen a lot of comments on the PowerShell for Beginners series. A lot of people saying that the quality wasn't good. And I definitely know this. The first 4 or 5 videos, the quality was really, really bad. So I'm actually going to be re-releasing the PowerShell for Beginners series. But I'm actually going to be re-releasing it, doing it all in PowerShell 7.2 instead of PowerShell 5, 5.1 using the PowerShell ISC. We're actually going to be using Visual Studio Code. We're going to be using PowerShell 7.2, and the video quality is going to be much, much better, more of the similar to the videos that we've been doing most recently. So hopefully with those upgrades, that should be a lot better. It's also going to be more up to date by using PowerShell 7.2, so that should help you guys out quite a bit. A lot of other people have been asking for some PowerShell and import Excel videos. So we're going to be doing some more PowerShell videos in general. We're going to be doing some more of those PowerShell quick tips that we've seen most recently. I've done, I think, like 2 or 3 of those videos so far by the time that this video will come out. So we'll be focusing on like some commandlets, just going in depth or some ideas for some scripts and just going in depth with those. Sometimes I kind of go over things in a glance in a video, and I don't really explain too much because it's not too important to that specific video. But this I'll be diving in a little bit deeper, kind of like those environment variables that we looked at the other day. So that should help you guys out. And then I saw a lot of people asking for PowerShell making API calls and making nested API calls. So we're definitely going to be looking at that as well. So we're going to be making some PowerShell scripts that call APIs. And the API that we're going to be calling is actually going to be Elastic. So we're going to be doing some videos on Elastic. We're going to do an Elastic install and setup on Ubuntu. So Elastic is going to be our system that we're going to be using and making API calls to because it is a very powerful tool. You can use it as a SIM. You can use it as a like a big search engine. You can store all your data in there. You can store some Active Directory data in there, some Azure data in there. You can also use Logstash, which is part of the Elk stack, and store your event viewer logs in there, and then kind of correlate data and use it as a SIM, or just search for the data and make it a lot easier to make that data accessible. So we're going to be installing Elastic. We're going to be setting up a neat little kind of application through it. We're going to be storing some of our data from Active Directory in it. And then we're going to be calling the APIs through PowerShell to load it and to actually make requests to it and get some data back. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. I'm also opening up the comment section below. If you guys have anything else that you guys would like to see very specifically, please let me know down in the comment section because of course I want to focus on what you guys want, which is why I'm just letting you guys know that I've been seeing all these comments and those are going to be the videos that we're going to be working on. We'll eventually rewrap into C# and some more Python as well, but because more of the people are demanding more PowerShell videos, and I really wanted to re-release the PowerShell for Beginners with PowerShell 7.2, and of course that better quality, because there are a little bit new features in PowerShell 7.2, and of course with the lack of the ISC in newer versions of Windows, we're going to be using Visual Studio Code and PowerShell 7.2. So if you guys have any comments or suggestions or questions, Please let me know down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer you guys. And if it's anything that we can make a video on, I will definitely be making that video for you guys. Again, thank you for the 2,500 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out. And I will see you guys on the next video.